Using NetSuite's Learning Cloud Support Pass is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, access and log into the NetSuite's Learning Portal using your user ID and password, which are provided in the profile approval email we send out. On your home screen, you can browse courses by product, role, or task. Moving here, helpful links are displayed to guide you in taking courses. You can view additional resources like newsletters, webinars, and archives. Additionally, you can also check courses that offer NetSuite certification. Here at the top right corner of the screen, you may use the global search bar to find exactly what you need. Once you've found a course you're interested in, simply click on the Request button, and it will immediately be added to your My Training list. Whenever you start a curriculum, a Welcome to the Learning Portal video is provided to make sure that you get the most out of our courses. In addition, you can click on the launch link to open PDF files such as student guides, demo account request forms, contact information including support instructions, and the course agenda. If the course contains a student guide, then download it for your reference. If you require support during the course, refer to the support instructions in the file. In each module, progress and lessons and topics are tracked. While interactive knowledge checks are available in most courses to check your understanding of the content covered. Step-by-step walkthrough demonstrations guide you through the NetSuite task. And lastly, reference materials are often available for download to support your learning experience. Check out our online course catalogue or call us for more information.